Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your eSIM is not working on an iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to settings and then click on mobile service or cellular data and make sure your eSIM line is turned on. Next, you're going to turn airplane mode on and then off. This refreshes your network connection. Now check your carrier settings update. To do that, you're going to go to settings and then click on general. Over here, you're going to go to about and wait a few seconds and update if prompted. And if it's still not working, then you're going to simply restart your iPhone. And if that also doesn't help, you can try removing and re-adding the eSIM. So you got to go to remove eSIM and then scan the QR code again. And finally, you can update your iPhone to the latest iOS version. So you got to go to general and click on software update and check if there is any update available and update your phone. Make sure your carrier supports eSIM and your plan is active before doing all these steps. And that is basically how you can fix eSIM not working on an iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.